What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. So today is gonna be a super cool day. I just did my hair. I have to fix it, but I did my hair. I have to fix my baby hair still. And I'm about to go to my sister's house and hang out with her and my nephews and nieces, and they got a new dog, so I'm gonna go spend some time with him. He is the dog that we went to get when I almost bought my dog in the first video that you guys watched of Vlogmas. So he's the reason we was at the pet store, because we was getting him. So I'm gonna go spend some time with him today and see how he is. He was super shy the first day, so I want to see if he's, you know, super out there. I look crusty because I am crusty. We're gonna spend the day with the kitties today. I'm at my sister's house, about to see the kitties. Hi. Hello, Max. Okay, so my sister has a, oh yeah, I already told y'all, my sister has a dog. Hi, girly. How are you?
Good.
You look pretty.
Thanks.
Look at Max. How do you like Max? You like
A lot.
You like him a lot?
But he cries during the night when we have to put him in his cage.
Why?
Because we can't sleep down here.
Max is just looking at me. He's like, who is this strange lady?
She's your aunt, Max.
Yeah, Max, I'm your auntie. Max is my nephew. Wait. Don't get him up yet. He acting all shy. But we about to see right now. Oh, I gotta take my shoes off. I definitely forget. He peed. He really just sitting there staring. Let me see Lily.
To finally get to know me more, and I want you to give Emily a chance on. Wow, what do you like about Emily is going to be in the picture?
Hi, Max. He looked at me.
He likes to lick people's foot.
Look at Max. Come here.
He's eating her hair.
Here, bro.
He likes to eat people's hair also.
I was like, oh yeah, I'm the only influencer in my family. They was like, don't ever disrespect Lily like that. There's like, Lily is the influencer, period.
I'm gonna take over.
Oh, you really trying to be the influencer. Max trying to act like Lily be having him running through the house. He is so tiny, y'all. Max, you gotta make your debut. Smile. Right.
He looks at cameras.
Let's order the food.
Chipotle.
What is it, Lily?
Chipotle.
Chipotle. Hi.
Hello.
This is
recording.
Look at Jayla, y'all. He don't want to be on camera. This is the one that don't want to be on camera.
Auntie.
Hi.
I'm playing with Minnow. Okay, you guys, so she's gonna show me the TikTok. Auntie, I'm playing with Minnow.
You got chicken?
Yeah.
Okay, so order me whatever is more filling.
Max, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? He keep licking my face. He gonna eat my makeup. Oh, he like to sit like this.
Yeah.
He do?
Yeah.
He just got in my arm like this and relaxed.
Like that. And he just like falls, right?
Yeah, that's exactly what he just did. Oh my God. Max, you're so cute. Yo, y'all, my niece is so woke, okay? Woke, period. Let me see, Lily.
Okay.
Come show them your TikTok.
Okay, so, yeah. So, hold on.
Yo,
Okay, so let
she
me
put
show you
DML.
Now when you left, it was
Yo, Lily is really the influencer. Seriously. Lily.
You guys, I have good TikTok edits.
Period. Boo. You guys.
You can babysit all the kids.
When I get my new apartment.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. They'll come over for a few days.
Alright, so I got this up. Let me see the food.
Do I look like a teething ring?
That's all he do. Max been over here biting up chargers.
For real?
He been under there biting the
Oh my
wires.
God.
He's literally like a baby. I was telling Reggie that I could have had a baby for all this goddamn stuff.
I was telling you.
Bye.
Ow!
No.
What the?
He has a little monkey.
I'm gonna buy him a toy as a gift. A little gift from Auntie. All right, Max. All right.
Okay, so everything I picked was where I wanted.
You want? Let me see the fresh tomato salsa.
That's the chopped up ones.
Oh,
This
okay.
one.
That tastes like ceviche. You know what ceviche is, or however you pronounce it.
Mm-hmm.
That tastes like that.
You like that? I love that. You don't get that on your burrito? You're crazy.
It tastes like onions. I don't like that.
Oh, this look like the sauce I be buying.
Yo,
for the
son, it
chips.
tastes just like
It
it.
do?
I got that
I never
yesterday.
tried it.
Yeah,
Tomatoes, sour cream. Alright.
Yeah.
A burrito. With rice and beans in it. It's rice, beans, chicken.
He was just hopping around jumping. Now he acting scared.
What?
Is Max camera shy? Cause he's what? You know what you're doing?
So Jalen just wants the chicken,
Yo,
rice, beans, sour cream, cheese.
he trying to tear my hand up. Ow, Max. Max.
So I want chicken,
Max. Maxie, 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 Maxie. Maxie, 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 Maxie.
You be getting lettuce on yours?
Mm-mm. Maxie, 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 Maxie. Corvette, Corvette, hot in the mud.
So, me, you, Jalen, Stevie. Okay. So, now the bow. Chicken and white rice.
Are you trying to find my hand? Jessica.
You know, I thought...
So, y'all, we just got some Chipotle.
Hey, you guys are watching her new video, but we're not spoiling it, so go check out on her video.
Well, Okay, yeah. They're already gonna be watching this one. If y'all watching this one. But you on to something. But yeah, so we about to eat some Chipotle. I've been eating Chipotle for the past 3 days. Chipotle been slapping lately. I don't know, y'all. Like, it's been hitting for real. The burritos been good. So I'm gonna get tired of it soon though. Watch. And I'm gonna go back to Chick-fil-A. I got my burrito.
Me and Aaliyah J got the same thing.
But I got hot sauce on mine. I didn't show y'all my burrito yesterday, but I got brown rice, black beans, sour cream, hot sauce, cheese, and chicken.
With hot sauce. But I got the same thing, but no hot sauce.
You had a burrito yesterday too?
And the day before that.
I'm done.
I've been eating Chipotle all week. I don't even like Chipotle this much. Like,
Look at that.
I have to really want Chipotle to get Chipotle. I never used to get the hype around it. Especially burritos. I used to always get a burrito bowl. This is my first time ever getting a burrito. Well, not my first time. The other day was my first time. It's good?
Yes. Oh my god.
Mad extra.
You know,
No,
this
it's
is
that
my
good.
first time trying Chipotle.
Oh, it is? Oh, that's why. It's our first time trying Chipotle, y'all. Okay. So do a first impressions review. Go ahead.
It's good, that's good. It's beyond good.
Well, you never had a burrito before?
Only Jalen did. No, that was Chili's. Yeah, that was Chili's. Jalen only had Chili's before.
Oh.
And me and Rashad got a McDonald's.
Oh. Why are you saying Chili's though?
And that was in Easter in 2019.
And what?
That was Easter. I mean, it was Easter
Oh.
and it was 2019 and we went to the mall.
Oh.
She's right.
Girl, you know a lot.
And I'm sitting here like, what is she talking about? And I had to think like, okay, she's right.
Easter 2019.
I took them to the mall to take Easter pictures with the Easter bunny.
I was there.
No, you wasn't there this one.
Oh. Oh, I'm thinking about that time when Lily was in a stroller. I'm dumb.
No, that was Christmas.
Yeah.
With Santa.
When you was in a stroller. Oh my gosh.
I don't remember that one. I don't remember way far.
How old are you?
6.
She don't act like no 6-year-old. She's smart. You gonna want to be on camera?
This is Jalen.
Y'all, this is mad bread left over, but I bodied it. Okay? Body bagged.
Mom, why are you locking up in his cage?
Is it good?
What?
What?
You hear your voice?
No.
This boy. Do you like my hair?
I said this word. It wasn't right. Yeah. So when you...
How was the burrito, sis? Rate it 1 to 10. 10 being the best.
10 over 100. Period. But you guys, I saved it. So yeah, it's really good.
Oh, you still got your other half? Let me eat it. Let me
Don't
have it.
eat it. I still want it.
I'm hungry though. You know I'm so hungry.
Why don't you order another one of yours?
I want yours. Me and you had the same burrito. No? Let me go get it.
No.
Oh, it's right here. Oh, it's over there. I'm dumb. The burrito is over there.
You was like, let me get it. She waited until you walked away and she went and got it.
This girl is so tired. Move. Do it again, Aaliyah. Do the shake it out, Wes.
So cute. I love the little kind of blue kind of ponytail thing.
Girl, bye. What's up, you guys? So I didn't take all my makeup off, but I'm back in the house now. I spent the day with my sis and the kids. You guys, I feel sick. Like that that Chipotle made me sick. I didn't even take all my makeup off because I ran out of a makeup wipe. So I'm probably gonna wake up tomorrow with a pimple. Life is just really hard right now. Okay, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's Vlogmas. Isn't Max so cute? He's so cute. But yeah, make sure you guys tune in tomorrow for tomorrow's Vlogmas. I'm going to bed because I feel sick. I should probably make me some tea. Oh yes, tea. I think I'm gonna make me some tea. I'm gonna make me some tea. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.